Hello fans, you're welcome to this video. Today in this video, I will quickly be showing us how you can create space on your phone, how you can manage the spaces on your phone, what you need to put in place so as your phone not to get filled up with unnecessary or irrelevant pictures or videos which are not useful to you. If this sounds like what you are really interested in, then you need to watch this video to the end. First of all, there are various things which we don't put in place on our phone that make our phone not to have enough space. All these things, when they are not properly set on the phone, then you will be having issue with your phone. One of it is what we'll be talking about in this video today, which is setting your media visibility on WhatsApp. If you are a WhatsApp user, if you have WhatsApp on your phone, you belong to some groups, you have some groups that you belong to, then you need to watch this video till the very end so as for you to know how you can save the space on your phone for useful things that you really need, not unnecessary things. So let's dive in. All you need to do is go straight to your WhatsApp. One of the things you need to look at is your WhatsApp group settings info. How did you set your WhatsApp info? So let's dive in. What you need to do is go to each of the group you have on your phone. So I'll be starting with this and click on that particular group. Then you come to this three dots at the upper right hand side. Once you click on it, you will come right down to media visibility. If your media visibility is on default, any picture, any video that anyone in this group posts here will be saved automatically on your phone. So what you need to do is make sure you come here and click on no, and then you click on OK. By the time you come back here, it will be showing media visibility off, which means any video, any picture from this group, I don't want to save it on my phone. Then you move to the next group. You pick the group, pick the media visibility, and check if it's off or on. So if it's off, it's okay, but if it's on default, then it's not good for you. Your phone will always be filled up with different kind of pictures, different kind of videos, even the ones that are not useful to you. So all you need to do is just make sure you go to the media visibility and off every one of it from each of the group that you belong to. Also, do this to the community of any group or announcement department of that group. You can see announcement info and you click on this. You come right here, you can see media visibility is off. So that is one way on how you can always make your phone to have enough space. So what you need to do is do this to every group you find yourself. You can see media visibility is off. So once it's set to off, you are good to go. So each of the group starts with the community. Yeah, you move to announcements, media visibility. You make sure you off it, and you move to the next one. Click on your three dots, click on your group info, check your media visibility, bring it down to no, then you click on OK. This way, any picture or any video that is being sent to these groups will not be saved automatically on my phone. Only if I click on those videos or those pictures and save it by myself, that is when I will still have that particular video or whatever still saved to my phone. But if I am not the one that save it by myself, it cannot save on my phone and it cannot consume the space of my phone. So what is the essence of doing this? The essence of doing this is for your phone to have enough space. You see, some people, once they log in the morning, you are going to see thousands of pictures, thousands of videos that does not belong to them. Why? Because they did not have the media visibility of their phone. So if this happens, there is no way your phone will not be filled up. Even by the time you need to pick a specific picture for your post or a specific design for your post, you will see that you will be having hard time to set that up. So for you to be on a safe hand, for you to make sure everything on your phone is accurate, that is one of the things you need to set: your WhatsApp media visibility. And once you set this, you are good to go. You are free to view those pictures or those videos from that group without it saving directly to your phone to consume your phone space. I hope you find this helpful. If this video has been helpful to you in one way or the other, don't forget to like, give it a thumbs up, and also smash that subscribe button to subscribe so as to get more tips and updates like this. Thank you and bye for now.